have the whole village here in the car. We are going to United States. It's January 1st, 2018. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
2019. Happy New Year. We are going to go skate along with Hadaf. Hadaf is going to skate too.
Yes. He can't skate.
Why can't he skate?
This is a little thing for it.
Why can't he skate, my sir?
Because he's just a baby.
He's just a baby. Baby skate?
No, he's just such a baby.
He can skate.
No.
He can skate in his little baby skate. Somebody's knocked out. He is so knocked out. We're here. We're here. I'm gonna need someone to hold Hadaf while I get out my money.
I'll hold him.
Someone hold.
We are having so much fun. Right when we just came.
Trust me, you're gonna get tired.
So much fun.
Oh, stop.
We're having fun.
What's your name?
Nothing.
What's your name?
Hajja.
You guys already met Hajja.
My name's
This
Hajia.
is Hajja's sister, Vincent.
This is Hajia.
Yes.
Okay.
This is Alake. That's Alabi's sister.
Hi.
Mariam. Oh, and Hadaf is awake.
That was
My
quick.
sister's over there, and he thinks he's all that.
Can you hold it so I can put on my shoes on your Oh no, I'm gonna fall.
Alabi, you and I are matching. Is that Vince's jacket? Why did we do
I can't get this.
Mariam, you need help?
Help me! Help me! I'm in hard on my foot. It hurts.
Mariam, go! Mariam! You got this, Mariam!
It hurts.
You got this! Go, Alabi!
Kamali's got a drink from here.
My baby's falling. Yeah, you take it, Alabi. You got it. Make sure let Alabi use it, okay? Alabi, you need a little push? Yeah. Go, my son. Go, time at United States?
Funny.
You had fun?
Yeah. Mason made me laugh a lot. He kept on falling.
Alabi, how's your time at United States?
I was keep falling and the kid
I
was
love how
keep
Mason kept
falling.
falling, but he never gave up. He
Yeah, and at the end he got better though.
Yeah, he did. The more you do, the better you get. Hey, Mom. This girl can't find her jacket. Yeah, you gave it to us. We put it in the locker just like everyone else's. Everybody got their jacket. I don't know where you were. My goodness. So Hajia says I owe her $1 because I wrongfully blamed her for losing her jacket. Apparently, my jacket and the baby's jacket was in there as well.
You owe me $1.
Can you give me cake? Cash me that.
Hamdi, okay, for $1.
Can you give me cake? Cash me that.
Hamdi, okay, for $1.
Where are we going next?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Alabi, where are you going next? Where'd you get those tickets from?
I found him on the floor.
Oh my goodness. Where are we going?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Are you
It used to
sure?
be so
We're not going
fun.
home?
It used to be
Can we go
so
home?
fun.
I want to go home. Alright, bye. Users, welcome back to our shout out box. We have Maser here and Hajia. They're going to read the names from our shout out box. Maser, go ahead and shake it. Come on, hurry up, Maser. Alright, pick 3 names.
Okay. 1,
Put it down.
2,
Okay. Pick the 3rd one. Today.
3.
3. Okay. All right. Close the box. And are we going to read the name? What's the first name?
Abdulaidi.
Abdulaidi.
That's actually true.
Abdulaidi. Okay. Good job.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, because you remember we looked at all the names before, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Abdulaidi. That's my boy. That's my boy.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Ibrahim S.
Ibrahim S. Oh yeah. Mendo or whatever his name is.
Last time when I prayed,
No,
he
you
knocked
don't know him,
me in the
Maser.
head.
No, that's not that Ibrahim. You don't know this Ibrahim. Hey, Ibrahim. All right. What's the
When
third
I
name?
prayed,
Maser, give us the third name.
Halima K.
Halima K.
This has an H on it.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment,
Like and subscribe and share.
and share.
It's your turn.
Say bye, Dazers.
Bye.